Hi 301 students, welcome to week 10. We're here in the last fourth of the course, and I wanted to take some time and talk about the academic paper and direct your attention to some important tabs in this week's module that you'll want to make sure to bookmark and to reference, and to also understand the process of putting this paper together. So this is the overview. This is found in week 10, and if you haven't watched this video, I would highly recommend that you do. Writing an academic paper. It's a great explanation of what you're working towards and how to craft a good research question and how to organize your sources and go about the research process. So really take the time to watch this video. There are some really great documents here that you'll want to keep coming back to and want to reference. So of course the textbook chapters, which give us the instruction, but I really like this academic paper template. I'm actually going to pull it up right here. It is a Word document that is formatted for you already in APA, and it tells you what to type where. So there shouldn't be any reason why you're making APA mistakes when this is here guiding you through it. So what I would do if I were writing this essay is I would open this document and I would make this document my essay. I would save it, save as, and save it as your essay, and build your essay from this document. And I think you'll find that it's formatted correctly. You'll edit the running head up here with your shortened title. Here's your cover page, right? It gives you the link to APA from Purdue. It shows you how to format the abstract. You're probably most used to MLA when writing English papers, but we use APA and that includes an abstract. And then it talks about how to set up your headings, have the title, how to set up your introduction to quotes and your citations, and then it also has how to set up your reference page. Now obviously all of this information will be deleted and your information will replace it. So you'll want to make sure that you delete some of these, all of these instructions and replace them with your own. But I find that to be such a helpful template as you're working on your essay in the next couple weeks, and to really just build your essay from that document. And if you ever forget where that is, it's here in this week 10 overview of the academic paper. This is the page I would probably bookmark and reference again and again. The other thing it has that is really helpful is a sample academic essay. Let me pull that up really quickly. Pardon that. There we go. In another video that I will post later this week, I'm going to go through this essay and talk about what it does well and maybe where it needs to improve a little bit. But it is a great model for you to use as a guide as you're writing your own essay. So it's something you can download and save and use as a reference, or in case you forget, it's found here in the sample academic paper. So this is a really important page. This video is really important. Take the time to really understand or let me know if you have questions about the assignment. The next page is also equally important, and this is where you come up with your research question. So this is because you're working for your pretend internship, right? You're going to read the call for papers that pertains to your internship. So I pulled up the one from the Carefree Consulting Group because we have a lot of students interning for them, but they're all essentially the same except for that they're structured around the internship and the topics that would be interesting to people who are in that internship. So you can see that it outlines, the conference and some of the issues that you can focus your research question upon. Of course, that's going to differ if you are interning with a different group. It gives the guidelines, which are the same for every essay. So 25 to 3,000 words. It's going to be about 10 pages. That doesn't count the title page. So you're in the words count does not also count the abstract, the title page, and the reference page. So the body of the essay is the 3,000 words following APA style, and then the 10 to 12 credible sources. So this is an important document this week because you're going to develop your question that you're looking to research that you'll write your essay around. And that video back in the previous tab here talks about what makes up a good research question. You don't want to end up with an informational essay. This is an argumentative essay, and there's a difference, and the video does a good job of explaining that. So that's really important. That call for papers is really important, and then the other video, let me just navigate through the next couple modules. The other video I would really encourage you not to skip, and I said it in my announcements, but I'll say it again, and that's on the research process right here. So this is on the worksheet for research strategy. It's a longer video, it's 12 minutes, but I promise it will really help you organize the way that you do your research and understand how to research better. In the announcements, I posted a timeline so you can see how this paper is broken down, but I just wanted to show you where that information was and kind of walk you through the plan for the next couple of weeks as you see where we're headed, and hopefully this helps with that. Again, I'll post another announcement this weekend that goes through an example essay so you can kind of see where we're headed. Let me know if you have any questions.